We are about to do a ceiling gypsum installation on this ceiling that the client contacted us to do, and this is her open plan living room. Not really an open plan, it's a big living room that can serve as both a living room and a dining area. And in the kitchen, we are going to be adding an extra cabinetry on one side of the kitchen. So this is just the full view of the kitchen. This is the wall that you're going to be adding cabinets. So guys, forgive me about a lot of movement in the video. It was one of my team members who was taking the video, so there's a lot of movement, not like what you're used to, but you'll get the whole point as we're progressing. So this is the side of the kitchen that you wanted to add something, some cabinetry, and also from the living room, this small wall that you can see when you're in the living room, we wanted to do something on that wall as well. So what we did, we started with the ceiling gypsum. As you can see, the work is ongoing, and then we are slowly going to be working on the hallway, the small corridor that I showed you guys. So the client wanted some gypsum to be put on the corridor, and this was when we did the mapping for the client to approve the design, and this is what we worked with. And now we are going to be creating a gypsum wall just to put decor, a very small gypsum wall, because of the hallway. We don't want to fill the hallway with a lot with a big gypsum cabinet because of movement.
Every time we say goodbye, they all see that it's a lie. 'Cause we always give it one last try. Yeah, you've watched me break 1,000 times. Now I'm all alone, 'cause you never show. You say you will, but then you don't. That's how it goes. Don't wanna know. I'm turning off my mind so I get by. I just wanna be happy, happy tonight. Giving a warning, I'ma leave without giving a. But every time we say goodbye, we all know that it's a lie. Now I'm all alone, 'cause you never show. You say you will, but then you don't. That's how it goes. Don't wanna know. I'm turning off my mind so I get by.
We agreed to build this cabinet over this side of the kitchen with the client, and one of the purposes of this cabinet was to hide this part of the kitchen. So she wanted us to build a cabinet all around it, and also we removed the inbuilt cooker that was there and the detached oven, which we have put and built a space perfectly that fits it perfectly in the cabinetry. And we also got measurements for her fridge so that this can look like a modern kitchen, and the empty space shelf over there above the oven, the client will bring her microwave. Hey guys, I just got to Tao and I'm calling my nail tech. We had an appointment at 11:30. It's 11:20. I was just calling to tell her I'm walking, I'll be there in 5 minutes, and she forgot that today was our appointment date. She thought it's tomorrow, and she already started working on someone else. And I just sneaked in between you know, my hours, my schedule. I have a meeting with a client at around 2:30, and it's in the outskirts of Nairobi. So I figured once she starts working on me and we're done by 1, I can start heading there, because my nails have really grown, guys. They have really grown. So now she forgot and I drove all the way to Tao for nothing. My meeting is not in the CBD, it's in the outskirts of the CBD of Nairobi. Now I'm wondering what I'm going to do. My goodness, I feel so disappointed. I don't know if I should be angry because it happens, but it's okay. So I think I have an option. I'll just look for something to do, I think. Oh my goodness, let me just go see if I can get a perfume. I was planning to get one next week, but today my whole aim was getting my nails done, because they have really outgrown and I feel like they are not that presentable. Anyway, there's nothing I can do, and I can't go to someone else because I really love her work. So let me just go and pick a few items, then we go to the meeting.
Feelings, it's like I can't walk on the ceiling. Oh yeah, got me dreaming, dreaming in colors I never dreamed in. Oh yeah, I let you deeper than I let anyone else before. Filling up broken pieces, took them all and made yours. Didn't know my heartbeat needed, skipping out, no I can't keep score when I lose my breath. Oh, you got me breathing. Oh, every little thing you do, every time you hold me, take me higher, higher.
So we are back home. It was a long, tiring but successful day. So we went to the client, we already did the site visit. So I'm not going to be showing you guys snippets about that, because the only time where I share details of a client is after we have signed the contract, we have agreed on everything, and we have agreed to start the project, and probably the project is ongoing, so that I give you guys a flow. So that's when I'm going to be showing you guys all that. But earlier today, I went to get a few scents. I think I've showed you guys part of that, and then I also passed by Super Cosmetics to get a few personal items. I don't think there's a need of showing you guys that, but I'm going to be showing you guys the scents that I got. So this is the first scent that I settled or agreed I decided to get. It's a Victoria's Secret brand. It's Pure Seduction Shimmer. This scent is so feminine. It is so good. I love it. My goodness, I can recommend this to anyone who's looking for a feminine scent. This one, I totally loved it. I just smelled it once and the second time, and it was just perfect. This was my #1 choice or out of everything that I smelled today. I totally love it. And then when you spray it, it leaves some sort of shimmer. It's very mild and minimal. I'm not a glitter person, so the fact that it's very minimal, I'm okay with that. But I totally love this. I love it. This one was worth all my money. This one was worth it. It was totally worth it. So I got 2 cents. I only got 2 cents because of my budget, and I think I'll be adding them slowly. I'm not really a scents person, but I'm really trying to embrace it, because I feel like scents really play a big role, especially when you're meeting people and all that. So the next scent that I got is this one. I just want to unbox it with you guys. I know you saw me trying it out. I smelled a few scents before I settled for this ones. And let me just open it real quick. I was saying I smelled a few scents before I settled on these two, but what I did, I told them I want something very minimal and feminine. I am not a fan of very strong scents. No, I'm a very minimal person, especially because of the allergies that I tend to get. And this one is just beautiful, guys. Oh my goodness, this one is just beautiful. It smells amazing. Okay, why is it so tight? Oh yeah. Guys, hey, this is amazing. I love it. I totally love this scent. I don't know why it's a bit firm. Okay, I think it's because it's new. It's a bit firm, but I totally love this scent. Okay, not as much as I love this one, because this one is just giving me all the feminine vibes. This is soft, it's gentle, it's feminine, it's strong. Like, I'm not very good with scents, so I'm not going to try to explain, but you guys get the concept. And I totally love this one. So this is, I'm not going to try also to mention this name to pronounce. I'm not going to try to say this, but this is the brand that I got. This one, pink special edition. They actually stocked very minimal pieces of this, so if you'd like to try it out, maybe you can go and check it out. This is not a paid promotion, I'm just showing you guys what I got. But these two, my goodness, I think they're going to make me fall in love with scents and, you know, try to collect different scents. But so far, so good. But I totally love these two scents. They're worth it, worth every penny. I feel like my day wasn't wasted, as much as I felt a bit wasted, but I feel like my day wasn't wasted. So the video that you guys were supposed to watch today being the day that I am uploading the video, not the day that I'm shooting, we were supposed to upload a video with Miss Kenya. We did a very nice collab. We did a toy market haul. I can't wait to show you guys what we got. It's going to be an amazing video, but we got a few technical issues. Let me call them technical issues, but we're going to be uploading that video on Wednesday or Thursday this coming week. So it's going to be the next video immediately after this. And in case you don't know, that means you've not been following me on Instagram, which you guys should. So this is my personal Instagram handle. Please make sure you follow me, guys, and get updated every time we do a few things. Like, all the updates are there. Every time we have a new video, they're there. Every time I see a few things, I just post and share a few snippets and all that. So follow me on Instagram, guys, and you're going to be always updated on everything. Tomorrow is Saturday, and Ayana and we have a girls' day out. I'm not sure I'm going to show that. If I do, I'm going to show very minimal snippets of it. It's something that we've been doing for a while. Most of it, sometimes we do it indoors. Once in a while we do it outdoors, where we have time to spend with each other. We talk, we share, we laugh, we have fun. Yeah, so it's a basic bonding time for me and her. And tomorrow is going to be that day, so I have cleared my schedule for the whole day on Saturday. The whole day I have cleared my whole schedule so that I can do that. If you guys would like to see, maybe when we do an indoor something, girls out something, maybe you can have an idea on what to do with your kids or future kids, if you don't have any at the moment. But let me know down in the comment section below, and it's a good night for me. See you guys tomorrow. I need to rest.
hold me, take me higher, higher. Every little thing you do, every time you hold me, take me higher, higher. Oh.
Hey guys, so see who we just met.
Hi,
Your name is?
Mary.
Mary said she's a big fan of our channel.
Exactly.
And who else? And Susie and Maggie.
Susie and Maggie Mwende.
Wow.
Yeah.
Thank you so much for the love. Thank you for saying hi.
Yes, I had to. I
Yeah.
had to. So I'm happy.
Okay, thank you so much. Have a good day.
You too.
With you, when you kiss me, it's like the stars fall out the sky onto my heart to cover up what I don't wanna show. I let you into